This is Hina Kausar Arab from Government First Grade College, Hariyar, and in this session I am going to discuss about the meaning and scope of industrial economics. So first of all, we can go through the introduction. Industrial economics is distinctive branch of economics which deals with the economic problems of firms and industries and their relationship with society. In economic literature, it is known by several names with marginal differences such as economics of industries, industry and trade, industrial organization and policy, commerce, and business economics, etc. So, what is industry? The meaning of industrial economics is the study of firms, industries, and market. It looks at firms of all sizes, from local corner shops to multinational giants such as Walmart, Tesco, and it considered a whole range of industries such as electricity generation, car production, and restaurants. So, scope of industrial economics says managerial economics by the large starts from the assumptions that the firm aims to maximize its profits and then proceeds to maximize the manner in which decision rules and procedures of the firm should be formulated in order to achieve its goals. The approach of industrial economics is different from this, where the main emphasis is placed upon understanding and explaining the working of existing system and thereby prediction of the effects of changes in variables of the system. It is a branch of social science which is interested in what actually happens, that is, positive aspects, rather than what should happen in hypothetical or ideal situations. So, what is industry? So, industry is the production side of business activity, which is related to the raising, producing, and processing, etc. So, what is industrialization? Industrialization is the process of manufacturing consumer goods and capital goods and building infrastructure in order to provide goods and services to both individuals and industrialists. So, in industrial economics industrial economics denotes the systematic study of all economic aspects in relation with the industrial economy. So, there are two broad elements of industrial economics. The first one, known as the descriptive element, it concerns with the information content of the subject. It aims at providing the industrialist or businessman with a survey of the industrial and commercial organization of his own country and of the other countries with which he might come in contact. The second element of the subject is concerned with the business policy and decision making. This is the analytical part dealing with topics such as market analysis, pricing, choice of techniques, location of plant, investment planning, hiring and firing of labor, financial decisions, production diversification, and so on. So, we can summarize it by saying that we can easily understand the meaning and scope of industrial economics.